So with that, everybody, in one word or one phrase, what are we looking for in this problem? Can you point out what we're looking for as quickly as we can? Yeah, we're looking for the volume. I love you guys. We're looking for the volume, So with that, all right, cool. Sounds good. What is the volume of the rectangular prism? So we are looking for the volume. Cool. Now, with that said, everybody, here's the thing. My biggest piece of advice when it comes to any problem that involves geometry is this. There's a formula. Anytime you're dealing with geometry, there is always a formula to be used. So the moment that you see a pure geometry math word like volume, instantly you need to know what shape am I dealing with, because once I know the shape, I know the formula. Everyone, they tell you that this is a rectangular prism. A rectangular prism, its volume is equal to this. Volume equals length times width times height. If you were freaking out about this problem, this was actually a very quick one, because the length was 3, width was 6, and height was 10. So you plug those numbers in. 3 times 6 times 10. 3 times 6 is 18. 18 times 10 is 180. And that'll be cubic yards. And there it is. Answer's A. And we're done. And that's it. Straightforward. Straightforward, everybody. Again, anytime you're dealing with a geometry word problem, anytime at all, the formula needs to pop up in your head. So that's the advantage that you have when it comes to dealing with geometry word problems. So again, let me write this down here. Geometry word problems. There's always a formula. Always a formula. Always a formula. Okay? Make sure you note that. And so, very quickly, before I move on, finally knew how to do one of these. It's all good, Dejan. So, with that, where to find the extra practice for this? Let me go to the screen behind me. So, where you'll go for this one is going to be, check it out here. Just pay very close attention. Notice how we have Unit 8, 9, 10, and 11. 8, 9, 10, and 11. All 4 of these have to do with geometry word problems. What we just worked on was Unit 10. This is going to be volume word problems, where we talk about finding volumes of rectangular prisms, working forward, working backwards, finding the volume of one box inside of another, like all these crazy type problems. Unit 10. But I split it up into 4 units. That way you can start from area and perimeter, then learn circles separately, then learn volume separately, and then you have more geometry, like looking at angles and points and lines inside of word problems. And before you go, if you like what you saw and you want to raise your score with thousands of practice problems just like that, so you can lower that test anxiety, raise that confidence, go to this link right here to check out the full program. There's a video that shows you exactly how it works, but you're going to get lessons, guided practice, worksheets, speed drills, and everything that you need to feel supported from day one all the way until you pass. Again, I'm Coach Anderson, and I'll see you soon.